Hello everyone, I am Prathamesh. Today I am going to give a speech on importance of time management. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Time management is all about using time productively. With time management, one can expect to be very productive. Time management improves the quality of work. To help manage time, one can use different techniques and stick to one that works for them. One can make good use of time by writing to-do lists, setting alarms and creating grids. Time management tricks can help increase productivity, reduce stress and give a lot of free time for leisure. It is essential to stay focused on the technique you prefer to make time management a habit. Time management can also have a positive effect on the people around us as the results are apparent and make an impact. Time management is important for everyone: students, homemakers, working professionals, etc. Time management is vital for people to realize their goals. If you like this video, then do remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.